Good morning. Welcome to A to Z Easy Maths. Today we are going to see the concept of perimeter of a square. Now, what is perimeter? Perimeter means a total length around the shape is called perimeter. Here, if we take a square, the shape, the length around the shape is called perimeter. For example, if we think A is a side of square. Now, the perimeter of a square P is A plus A plus A plus A plus A because the four sides, or we know all four sides are equal of a square. So for that, A plus A plus A is 4A. Now, a length of a square is 3 centimeters. Then we can write it the perimeter equal to 4a. That means 4 into the side is 3 centimeters. So 12 centimeters is the length of the perimeter. That means 3, 3, 3. All the sides are equal. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.